Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever downloaded an application on your Mac only to find that it won't open because macOS can't verify its authenticity? This frustrating error message can be confusing and worrisome, especially if you're not sure what it means or how to fix it. In this video, we'll break down the reasons behind this issue and provide a step-by-step guide on how to resolve it. By the end of this video, you'll understand why your Mac is unable to verify the application you downloaded and what you can do to get it up and running. So, let's dive into the details. When you download an application from the internet, macOS checks its authenticity by verifying its digital signature. This signature is like a digital fingerprint that confirms the app's identity and ensures it hasn't been tampered with or altered during the download process. If the signature is missing or doesn't match what Apple expects, your Mac will display an error message saying it can't verify the application. Now, there are several reasons why this might happen. Firstly, the app might not be signed with a valid digital certificate by its developer. This could be due to an oversight or because the developer hasn't enrolled in Apple's developer program. Secondly, the app might have been tampered with or altered during transmission, which would invalidate its signature. Lastly, it's also possible that there's a problem with your Mac security settings, or that the app is not compatible with your macOS version. To resolve this issue, you can try a few different approaches. Firstly, make sure you've downloaded the application from the official website or a trusted source. This minimizes the risk of tampering or alteration during transmission. Next, check if the developer has provided any updates or patches for the app that might address signature issues. You can also try resetting your Mac System Management Controller, SMC, and NVRAM to see if this resolves any underlying security settings conflict. In some cases, you might need to allow your Mac to open apps from anywhere by adjusting its security setting. To do this, go to System, Preferences Security, and Privacy General, and click on the lock icon at the bottom left corner of the window. Then, select App Store and identify Developers or Anywhere, depending on your macOS version and preferences. Be aware that allowing apps from anywhere can expose your Mac to potential security risks. To recap, when your Mac is unable to verify an application you downloaded, it's usually due to issues with the app's digital signature. This could be because the developer hasn't signed the app correctly, or because it has been tampered with during transmission. To resolve this issue, try downloading from trusted sources, checking for updates, and adjusting your Mac security settings as needed. That's all for today's video. We hope you found our explanation helpful in understanding why your Mac can't verify an application and what steps to take to fix it. If you have any questions or need further clarification on this topic, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.